guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I am going to share tips on how to become a pro player in Free Fire and dominate every match that you play. Even if you don't get Booyah, you can still get high number of kills and dominate the lobby yourself. First, customize the sensitivity in the settings. You can customize it according to your choice, and you can check your sensitivity in the training mode and get your hands feel on the sensitivity that you have just kept in the training mode. Generally, high sensitivity helps you aim faster, but keep red dot and scope sensitivity moderate for better control. Practice in training mode until it feels natural for you. Know the map and where the loot is much more. Popular drop spots are risky but have the best loot, and there are higher chances of you getting higher kills in the popular areas. As a pro, you will balance between loot and survival. Practice headshots in training mode. Simply use drag shots and flick shots to hit enemies faster. A pro always aims for head to finish fights quickly, so make sure you aim for the head with the enemy in front of you. Always use your cover, avoid open spaces, and rotate smartly with a safe zone. Positioning can make the difference between winning and losing the game, so always look at your map and move accordingly. Choose characters whose skills complement your playstyle. Communicate and coordinate with your squad. Teamwork is key to winning pro level matches, so always be vocal about your gameplay, and that's how you can level up to a pro in Free Fire. If these tips helps you out, hit that like button, subscribe and share with your squad. Thank you for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one.